Hey guys, don't forget subscribe and hit the bell. How to do the dumbbell deadlift. Looking for a novel way to work your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back while burning a ton of calories at the same time? The dumbbell deadlift, a less celebrated take on the much-vaunted barbell version, has your name on it. Dumbbell deadlifts can be just as effective as the barbell version, and, like the move's flashier cousin, you can work up to lifting big weight when you do it correctly and build up gradually. How to do the dumbbell deadlift. 1. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a pair of heavy dumbbells in front of your thighs, palms facing you. 2. Keeping your back flat, shoulders back, and core engaged, push your hips back and simultaneously hinge forward at your waist as you bend at your knees. 3. Lower your torso until it's nearly parallel to the floor and/or you feel a deep stretch in your hamstrings. Keep the dumbbells within an inch or two of your legs throughout the move. 4. Pause, and then slowly reverse the movement to return to the standing position. What muscles does the dumbbell deadlift target? All deadlift variations focus on the posterior chain, the muscles along the back of your body, which extend from your heels to the nape of your neck. This grouping includes your biggest, most powerful muscles, the ones primarily responsible for jumping, sprinting, and other athletic movements. Glutes, your butt muscles, gluteus maximus, medius, and minimus, bring your hip joints from a folded to a straightened position, thereby pushing you upright. Hamstrings, the muscles of the backs of your thighs, stretch deeply in the bottom position, and help straighten your hips as you rise to standing. Lower back, the muscles that line your spine, erector spinae, keep your lower back flat and your torso rigid throughout the move.